Unlocking everyday English, taking out the trash. Hello, and welcome to another episode of Everyday English. Today, we're diving into a common phrase you might hear in daily conversations, taking out the trash. This phrase is not just about a household chore. It's a fantastic way to explore language nuances and cultural insights. Whether you're learning English for personal growth, travel, or professional reasons, understanding phrases like this can significantly enhance your fluency. So, let's get started. The phrase, taking out the trash, refers to the act of removing garbage from inside a place, like a house or office, to an outside bin or disposal area. The trash consists of things you no longer need or want, such as kitchen waste, broken items, and packaging materials. In different English-speaking countries, trash can also be referred to as garbage, rubbish, or waste, but the idea of taking it out remains the same. This chore is usually done regularly to keep living and working spaces clean and hygienic. While taking out the trash is a straightforward chore, it's interesting to see how it's approached in different cultures. For example, in some cities, there are specific days for trash collection, and failing to take your trash out on time can mean dealing with it for another week. In other places, recycling and separating waste is a significant part of taking out the trash, reflecting a community's environmental consciousness. Furthermore, the phrase can vary slightly in different English-speaking countries. In the United States, it's commonly called taking out the trash. In the United Kingdom, you might hear taking out the rubbish. In Australia, both phrases can be used, along with simply putting out the bins. Interestingly, taking out the trash can also be used figuratively to mean getting rid of unnecessary or unwanted elements in one's life. This can refer to ending a toxic relationship, quitting a bad habit, or even dismissing negative thoughts. The idea is that just as you remove physical trash to keep your environment clean, you can also remove non-physical trash to improve your mental or emotional well-being. To help you better understand how to use taking out the trash in conversation, here are a few examples. Literal sense, it's your turn to take out the trash before it starts to smell. Figurative sense, after months of stress at work, I finally took out the trash and resigned. These sentences show how versatile the phrase can be, applicable to both everyday tasks and more profound life changes. That's all for today's episode on taking out the trash. We hope you found this exploration into everyday English phrases both informative and enjoyable. Understanding such phrases can greatly enhance your ability to communicate effectively and grasp the nuances of English. Remember, learning a language is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's also about connecting with its cultural and figurative expressions. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language. Happy learning!